Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Create a new document. Give a name. Width 920. Height 1080. And resolution 300. Create. Select your foreground color black. Select the layer. Hold Alt or Option and backspace. Add a layer mask. Now create another layer. And keep the mask layer on the mandala layer. Now unselect the layer. Create a gradient layer. Style should be radial. Angle 90 degree. And now create a multiple color gradient. By the way, if you click here, a new color stop will be created. Hit OK. Now choose the brush tool. And now keep the gradient layer between the mask and mandala layer. With the mandala layer and mask layer. Select the mask layer. Come into the center and start creating your mandala. We are done. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I see you in next video.